Mazda 3 is a mainstream compact sedan that punches above its weight. It can almost pass for A as its top trim levels boast elegantly furnished interiors lined with materials that exude a sense of luxury that rivals like the And just cannot equal. Offered as a 4-door sedan or a 5-door hatchback, the hatch is positioned as the more upscale model of the two. Despite being several inches shorter in overall length than the sedan, the 5-door costs more. Power comes from a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine, either with or without a turbocharger, mated to a 6-speed automatic or 6-speed manual transmission. However, manual gearboxes are limited to non-turbo models with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is offered, but only with the 6-speed automatic transmission. As is the Mazda norm, the 3 delights its driver with its balance. It's fun to drive, yet dispenses its agility with a comfortably smooth ride. Its elegant exterior and plush interior combine to create a delectable compact that has far more allure than you'd expect for the price. Premium class compact Hyundai, Elantra Honda Civic, Mazda now offers the Mazda 3's base model as either a sedan or hatchback. Previously, it was only offered as a sedan. All non-base trims receive embedded Alexa capability as part of their infotainment system. The Carbon Edition is offered with the base, non-turbocharged engine this year, with standard all-wheel drive, polymetal grey exterior paint, 18-inch black aluminum alloy wheels, gloss black heated door mirrors, a red leather interior and wireless device charging. Last year's carbon turbo trim returns as well. A Bose premium audio system is standard on Premium and Turbo Premium Plus models and optional elsewhere. The price of the 2025 Mazda 3 starts at $25 and goes up to $37 depending on the trim and options. Mazda offers 2 different engines with the 3, starting with a base 191 HP 2.5-litre 4-cylinder. This engine is offered front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. A 250 HP turbocharged 2.5-litre is available, but only on the most expensive turbo trims. Buyers can get a 6-speed manual if they stick with front-wheel drive. Opting for the all-wheel drive system mandates a 6-speed automatic transmission. While every 3 responds readily to gas pedal inputs, only the turbocharged engine makes the 3 satisfyingly quick. When we tested the turbocharged engine, we recorded a brisk 5.6-second run to 60 miles per hour. Both the hatchback and sedan feel composed on straight and twisty roads and provide a refined ride. We've praised the new Mazda 3 for retaining much of the fun-to-drive nature of the outgoing model. It has taut body control, natural-feeling steering, and a well-controlled ride that manages not to punish occupants when going over rough roads.